Hi everyone, I'm Ira. I'm going to critique on a video about the circulatory system. To go over the concept of this system first, the definition of circulatory system is a system that transports nutrients, respiratory gases, and metabolic products throughout a living organism, permitting integration among the various tissues. Due to this system, our body is able to fight through the diseases. So this is the video that I'm going to critique on. It is a video by Dr. Sam Robbins with 358,861 views. The title as seen is How to Increase Blood Flow and Circulation Naturally. The video starts out with Dr. Sam talking about heart attacks. He then directly connects the topic to the effects of a poor blood flow. He mentions the different effects such as heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, mental and memory problems, and so on. This claim is valid since, according to the Healthline.com, the symptoms of poor blood circulation are tingling, numbness, muscle cramps, digestive issues, memory loss, and more. We can see that there are overlapping lists from the video and this source. However, Dr. Sam should have explained the effects with more scientific reasonings with the causes before the effects. There are three causes, which are first, the peripheral artery disease, second, blood clots, and third, varicose veins. Arteries stiffen and plaque build up in the arteries and the vessels. This decreases the blood flow to the extremities, causing pain. If the blood clots in one part of the body, it can pass through other parts, leading to overall poor blood circulation. Lastly, due to damage in the valve, the veins enlarge and it often leads blood to flow in the wrong direction. Overall, the information that the doctor gave were correct, but it would have been better if he included scientific facts as well. Moving on to the next issue dealt in the video, Dr. Sam then gave information about ways to improve the blood flow. He first suggested to stop smoking as it increases the cholesterol in the body and hardens our arteries, which causes blood vessels to constrict. He emphasized how people should make a commitment to stop. He then said to do cardiovascular aerobic exercise, and lastly mentioned how diet is vital. We should reduce sugar as the high insulin level corrode the arteries and the vessels. We should also eliminate caffeine since they constrict blood vessels and increases the stress hormones. Similar to the effects part, the information that the doctor provided were mostly correct for the smoking section. According to the WebMD, smoking causes people to breathe in carbon monoxide, which steals oxygen from the red blood cells. Also, nicotine in the cigarette makes the blood vessels too narrow. Different from how the video only stated that it increases the level of cholesterol, it is actually the low-density lipoprotein, the LDL bad cholesterol, which is increased when the high-density lipoprotein is decreased. Also, since this video targets people of wide range wanting to know about ways to improve blood circulation, it will be more effective to include ways to stop smoking, as making a commitment is actually an incredibly challenging thing to do for most of the people in addiction. Moving on to the exercise part, the information given in this video were all correct, but there weren't any scientific explanations in the video. Scientific reasoning is crucial for this video since it will be easier for the audience to understand the scientific reasonings first in order to successfully follow as the video tells them to do. Exercises can deliver oxygen throughout the body and help eliminate waste, and the cardiovascular aerobic exercises can help in giving these effects. Lastly, the diet. Out of the three categories in the ways to improve circulation, the diet section was the most accurate and correct. According to the HeartMD Institute, the best food for improving circulation are cold water, fish, and nuts, while worst food are sugar and salt. As fish consists of omega-3 and nuts have magnesium, it helps in reducing inflammation, whereas sugar causes body to release high amounts of insulin, which triggers inflammation. Lastly, just like the video mentioned, caffeine constricts blood vessels and increases the stress hormone. There are several benefits to this video. First, with the social implication, as the target audience of this video is anyone who is interested in this topic, the explanations are very logical and was thoroughly backed up with some scientific reasoning. How this video is in a media where many people can easily access to shows how this video is successfully helping many people. Next is the ethical benefit. Similar to the social benefit, since this video has no restrictions to the audience, it is cogently providing helpful information openly to everyone. Lastly, since the suggestions are very cheap and doesn't require any money to try them, the video is economically beneficial. For instance, exercises which can be done without any supplies. For the negatives, there is a social implication. Even though the video was created with the purpose to help provide helpful information to many people, there are still some parts lacking some scientific reasoning. The depth of the explanations weren't deep enough, which led to the audience losing trust on the information provided. With more scientific and logical explications, more people will be able to get motivation from this video to follow the ways to improve blood circulation.